Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm making something quick and simple today, pad Kra Pao. It's one of the most popular Thai dishes. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. My videos are subtitled in both English and Chinese, just click them on screen. I also post bilingual recipes on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is cheflora6, which is also linked in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get started. This recipe calls for very little ingredients. I used minced pork here, but feel free to use chicken or beef or even tofu if that's what you prefer. Let's start by pounding garlic and chili into a rough paste. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, simply blend them together. Next, pick the holy basil out. I can easily get holy basil, but if that's not easily accessible for you, you can substitute with normal Italian basil. And once you have some rice ready, you're all set to start cooking. Let's make a Thai-style fried egg first. You'll need a bit more oil than usual for that brown, bubbly edge. Once it's done, place it on top of the rice and pour out the excess oil so you have a thin layer remaining. Slide the minced pork in and let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute to get the crust from Maillard reaction. Just that extra 30 seconds makes the dish taste a lot better. Flip the meat and do the same to the other side before you start stir-frying. Push the meat to one side and then add the garlic and chili paste. Toss and stir-fry them all together. Now that they're all mixed well, add your seasoning. We include oyster sauce, fish sauce, light and dark soy sauce, and also sugar. With all these sauces, it might get a bit soggy, so make sure you crack it up to high heat and then continue to stir fry. The sauces should dry up quite quickly. Do a taste test, then add in your holy basil. Quickly stir fry them till they're wilted, then turn off the heat. Place it on top of the rice and serve hot. Ta-da! This easy 10-minute stir fry is done. It's perfect for busy weekdays. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you liked this video, please do hit that subscribe button and click that bell. Follow me on Instagram for more recipes and updates. I'll see you next time.